A new world calls across the ocean. A new world calls across the sky. A new world whispers in the shadows. Time to fly, time to fly.
It's about one moment, the moment before it all becomes clear. And in that one moment, you start to believe there's nothing to fear.
It's about 1 second, and just when you're on the verge of success, the sky starts to change,
And the wind starts to blow.
and oh, you're suddenly a stranger. There's no explaining where you stand.
And you didn't know that you sometimes have to go around an unexpected bend, and the road will end in a new world.
A new world calls for me to follow. A new world waits for my reply. A new world holds me to a promise. Standing by, standing by. It's about one moment. That moment you think you know where you stand, but in that one moment, the things that you're sure of slip from your hand, and you've got 1 second to try to be clear, to try to stand tall, but nothing's the same, and the wind starts to blow, and oh, you're suddenly a stranger in some completely different land, and you thought you knew, but you didn't have a clue that the surface sometimes cracks to reveal the tracks to a new world. You have a house in the hills. You have a job on the coast. You find a lover you're sure you believe in. You get a pool in the back. You get the part of your land. But then the earthquake hits and the bank closes in. Then you realize you didn't know anything. Nobody told you the best way to steer when the wind starts to blow. And oh, you're suddenly a stranger. Your life is different than you planned, and you have to stay till you somehow find a way to be sure of what will be. Then you might be free.